how to fix our creator's freezing and crashing problem. In this video, I'm going to provide you the most general or the most common troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue if you're encountering this problem on our creators. Now, the very first step is the most simple one. Pull up your Windows search and type in update, then choose on Windows Update Settings. Now, the reason why we're here is to make sure that your operating system is updated to the latest version. Just simply click on check for updates, and if there is available, just choose on download and install if it suits your operating system storage. The next thing that you want to have to do is to pull up your Steam, and then you want to have to go into your library and right click on your R Creators game and go into properties. And from properties, you just want to have into install files and choose on verify integrity of game files. Now you're gonna have to wait for a couple of minutes for this to completed, and then just simply relaunch the game once again. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix our creators freezing or crashing problem.